I get really nervous at times like this when my bike's gonna get really hot because I'm afraid the rectifier is gonna screw up again, which wouldn't be good. I mean, as long as I don't shut the bike off, I shouldn't get stranded, I don't think. But I'm not 100% sure. This is really fun. I don't see why this is a no turn on red place. I could have went like 6 times by now. And I'm now blind. That is so bright. It's nice for right now because I got stuff in the way, but as soon as I get back in the light, yep. Dude, I literally can't see the car in front of me. This is bad. Chestnuts are roasting on an open fire, if you know what I'm saying. Also, what is this guy riding? Now he's on the stop. You can't just pick when you're a car and when you're not, dude. When you're a vehicle, I guess. Good job. There's a car there, in case you couldn't see them. I wanted to see the dog. Are you gonna... Go ahead, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Commit. You got this. Yay! We did it! That was scary, wasn't it? If you need help switching lanes, if you need moral support, I got you. That's a G-Wagon. I'll never afford one of those. I guess, shouldn't I have said I'll never be able to afford one of those? I don't know if I'll never afford one of those works. I'm not very intelligent. I also really wanted to smack one of those pylons while riding through there, which further proves my point. Bruh, what is with people tonight? I'm gonna zoom in on it, but he might have been too far ahead of me for it to really show up well. Should I hold his hand? Oh. Just like everyone else. He doesn't want my love. No, I guess technically that would be right, because you can say, oh, I can't afford it, or he can afford it. You don't have to say he can afford to get it. So couldn't you then say, I could never afford it? Because isn't that just the opposite of I can't afford it? Wouldn't that would work then, right? I'm not gonna sleep now. Just kidding. I don't sleep anyways. I'm just kidding. I'm in a residential area. I will keep my speed low. For the safety of others. Oh my god. Bro, I literally felt that in my head because I hit my I think I just broke my dude, I don't that hurts so bad. I'm suing whoever's responsible for maintaining this road for the testicular damage that they have just caused me. Uneven pace. Yeah, no fucking shit, guy. I just felt that. How about you put the sign way back there? Fuck you. I was having such a good time. Or am I forked? Okay, they seem fine. If you didn't know, hitting potholes and stuff like that hard can screw up the alignment in your forks and throw it off. So that's why I was checking to see. Tunnel time. It's my favorite. You think they're going to yield to me? Hey, they did. Thank you. Unless they just yielded to the car behind me. But anyways, that's going to conclude this one. Very riveting stuff as always. Broke my testicles. Saw 3 bad drivers. Got blinded. Just a jam-packed episode that I hope you guys enjoyed. Thought I heard something. But anyways, yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.